Welcome to this lesson on Introduction to Digital Marketing. In this lesson, you will learn about the definition and scope of digital marketing, the importance of digital marketing for businesses, and the various channels and tools used in digital marketing. So, what is digital marketing? Simply put, digital marketing refers to the use of the internet and digital technologies to promote and sell products or services. It includes a range of activities such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. The scope of digital marketing is vast, and it touches upon almost all aspects of marketing. It allows businesses to reach and engage with their customers online, and it provides a level playing field for small and large businesses alike. Now, why is digital marketing important for businesses? There are several reasons. First and foremost, the internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, and a majority of consumers go online to research products or services before making a purchase. By having a strong online presence, businesses can reach a larger audience and increase their chances of making a sale. Second, digital marketing is cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. It allows businesses to target specific demographics and track the success of their campaigns in real time, which helps them make informed decisions about their marketing efforts. Finally, digital marketing helps businesses build brand awareness and loyalty. By creating engaging content and interacting with customers online, businesses can create a strong brand identity and foster long-term relationships with their customers. Now that we have a basic understanding of digital marketing, let's look at some of the channels and tools used in digital marketing. One of the most popular channels is search engine optimization, or SEO, which refers to the practice of optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results. This is important because higher ranking websites tend to get more traffic, and more traffic means more potential customers. Another popular channel is pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, which refers to the practice of placing ads on search engine results pages or other websites and paying a fee each time someone clicks on the ad. PPC is a quick and effective way to drive traffic to a website, and it allows businesses to reach a specific target audience. Social media marketing is another important channel in digital marketing. It refers to the practice of promoting a business or product on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Social media marketing allows businesses to engage with their customers in a more personal and interactive way. In addition to these channels, there are various tools available to help businesses with their digital marketing efforts. These include email marketing tools, analytics tools, and project management tools, to name a few. In conclusion, digital marketing is a crucial aspect of modern business, and it allows businesses to reach and engage with their customers online. By leveraging the various channels and tools available, businesses can effectively promote and sell their products or services and build strong relationships with their customers. Thank you for watching this lesson on Introduction to Digital Marketing. In the next lesson, we will dive deeper into the world of digital marketing and look at some of the specific strategies and tactics used to drive traffic and sales.